Alright, so we're recording. Let's hope for the best if it works out for us.
Yeah.
Contact tower in 119.7. Advice on initial contact. You have information, Bravo. Falcon Tower information, Bravo, 1554 Zulu. Wind 190 at 8, temperature 36, 2.14, altimeter 29907. Visual approach in use, runway 23 right and left are in use. Arrival south of runway center line, contact tower in 124.6. Arrivals north of runway center line, contact tower in 119.7. Advice on initial contact, you have information, Bravo.
Get everything?
I got everything but the dew point, but I guess it doesn't really matter.
Falcon Tower information, Bravo, 15.
Good morning. And aviation expires.
Oh, yeah. Verified.
Half left, half up. And OBS 226. 226. Okay. 124.6, 119.7.
Yeah, I don't have my frequency card with me, so I'm a little lost now.
You listen to Edis. No, I have one.
There you go.
119.7, 124.6. That's one. Remember this function I told you about? The big knob?
Yeah.
You can scroll until you get ears, or you can scroll until you get this guy.
Falcon ground, phone 28, radio check.
Push cursor.
Phone 28, Falcon ground, line clear.
Enter, enter.
Copy, thank you.
This little knob. Not sure where we are.
Okay. You can zoom in a little bit.
Yep. This one zoom in, this one zoom out.
Alright, runway 22, left and right are in use. So now I know where I'm going. Brake check on mine's good. Your plane?
My controls. My brakes work. You have controls.
Alright. Alright, taxi briefing. We're going to taxi out here. We're going to head right up this way and stop at spot number 2. We're right about here in this little tie down area here. We're going to go up here.
This one.
Oh, right there. And then we're just going to go up here to spot 2, just right next to the tower.
Yep. Hello.
Alright, let me set my heading.
Second ground, Oscar 425, about 6, traffic departure with information alpha.
Altimeter set, heading set.
Falcon 425, Falcon ground, journey to left, activate Delta information, Bravo is now current, when 190.
You're testing me, right?
Yeah, of course.
To the left of the Delta, have Bravo, Oxford 425.
And also verify.
Okay, turn coordinators turning, opposite direction of ball. Directional gyro is rotating in the direction of rotation free movement. Heading compass is rotating in the direction of free movement.
And this guy's no
more than 5 degrees.
It's going to be a written test. What is the maximum allowable tilt on the attitude indicator?
5 degrees.
5 degrees.
Transponders on 1200, that's good, that's good. Flaps are up and turn.
Ground, Cessna 9635, hotel at spot 2, southbound departure with Bravo.
Where are we going, northbound?
9635 Hotel, Falcon ground, journey to left, taxi via Delta.
Delta 22 left, 9635 Hotel.
Okay.
Wait till he gets out of there for a minute.
Oh no, I was telling him, not
right.
you.
No.
Like, he's just
And Falcon Ground, Cessna 21329 at spot 2 with information Bravo for northbound departure.
Cessna 21329 Falcon Ground, turning to left, taxi via Delta.
Taxi for 22 left via Delta, 21329.
There you go.
I'm getting it.
Yeah.
You just slap me. Don't say anything. Just slap me and go, no, do it again.
Okay. Actually, I had to slap one guy one time because he was so scared of flying, and we were texting. He froze, and he kind of like froze. And I told him like, right pedal, right pedal, right pedal. And he wouldn't do anything. I tried to left, right, or right.
Clear?
I tried to push on him, but he just froze that like very stiff. Tried to slap his leg. It wasn't like, you know, smack him across the back, backhand him. But I had to slap his leg.
Yep, sorry. Just kind of getting sidetracked here, trying to take care of.
Remember, try to minimize your head movement. Whenever like texting or flying, use your eyes, just get up like.
124.6, that's tower. Okay.
On this side.
On this side.
That side is 119.7. Right?
Oh.
Classic Air is flying again, huh? Surprised to see them fly. Usually they crash more than fly.
That's not nice.
What is me bringing it up or them crashing?
Both. Makes sense. Fuel to both. Trim set for takeoff. Flight control test. Turn, pull, cross, forward, rudder, good. Instrument check. Heading set good, that looks good. Altimeter's already set. 29997. That's right close to the field elevation. Yep. This is nothing, this we're not using at the moment. We're on ground, 1200.
It's gonna switch automatically, it's like...
Well, it's supposed to, but every once in a while they call us and they're like, can you turn it on? We're like, oh. So
Yeah.
Sometimes it doesn't do it. $1,700 RPM.
Oh man, now that video's gonna be on the internet.
Oh.
Me talking trash about Classic Air. I'm trying to get a job with them.
16, 1700 RPM, right? Alright, both RPM mags going right. 75 RPM drop. Back to both. And left. Got about a 75 RPM drop going back to both.
And then more than 50 RPM difference.
Oh, where am I at? Mags, carb heat test. RPM drop. Carb heat worked. Vacuum's in the green. Oil pressure's in the green. Oil temperature's in the green. Alternator check. Alternator check. We're showing a positive increase. Mixture for speed for takeoff. I'm going to go just a little bit in and lean out. Come on, now. There's a drop off, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3,
full turns or 5 or 6 half turns.
You got me. Come on, show me. There it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 3 full turns.
Yep.
And throttle friction. Idle check.
Make sure the engine doesn't slide down.
Holds an idle. And go back up. Little off the idle. Friction set and locked. Alright, free takeoff. We're not going to do flaps.
Make sure balance power. We're already set it. Pipe it off.
Yep.
It off. Transponder alt.
Ponder's on. We'll leave it there.
Landing light on.
Landing light is...
Time. Quickly report available. 9:04. 9:04. Power done. Once we pull up, we just push this little knob to become 1. And abort plan ready. So, in case of an engine failure on the rollout, we're just going to continue taxiing down the runway, exit out whenever we can. In case of an engine failure below 1,000 feet, we're just going to land straight ahead. And in case of engine failure above 1,000 feet, turn around and land back to the airport.
Okay.
And that's one of the things we're going to do today, is power of 180.
180 engine failure, simulated engine failure.
Yep. Clear left, right. Man, it's humid.
I know, right? Let's just get this thing going, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, damn it. There we go. Yeah, you know, you see that cloud, you know it's humid, right?
Stratospheric clouds, it means the stable air. And the gray cloud, it's the prefix for it is nimbus, means rainy in Greek. Rainy cloud. Nimbus stratus. Stratus is like a layer cloud, a long stretching. So rainy
and long stretch.
Yeah.
Stratus nimbus.
Ground Oxford 242 at spot 6, requesting departure for multiple touch and goes with estimation Bravo.
Radio.
Should we go ahead and swatch over?
242, Falcon ground 22 to left, taxi via Delta.
22 left via Delta, Oxford 242.
I figured I'd switch over once he's on the runway, then I'll switch over when I'm ready.
Yeah,
that way if they tell me to get out of the way, he needs to turn back or something like that.
Yeah. 22 left, clear for takeoff, right?
Yep, 22 left, clear for takeoff.
No, that guy who's just been cleared, wasn't he?
No. Did you already swap us over? Are we already on? No, we're still on COM 2, right?
Yeah, on ground. Yeah, they're waiting for that guy.
So, unless he tells me right-hand turn, okay for a right-hand turn, I'm going to do a left-hand turn out that way, right, in the normal traffic pattern.
Yes. Because how are the traffic patterns usually designed, unless a special condition exists for noise abatement?
Because I noticed this morning they were letting him go on a right-hand turn because that runway wasn't very busy at the moment. Or
They most likely tell you if they want you to just turn right, they just continue like straight out. I call you a turn. Like okay, and then you get straight out, or fly straight out.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and swap over.
Parking via Delta monitor ground.
Left going to Able on monitor ground, 7-4 pump.
Cessna 35 Hotel, left turn approved, running 22 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 9635 Hotel, 22 left.
329, are you up?
Roger, 21329, holding short of 22 left at Delta 10.
Cessna 21329, roger. Third time I tried to reach out to you. We're only 22 left, line up and wait, traffic's downwind.
Line up and wait, 22 left, 21329. Yeah, we were, okay, he was trying to reach us.
So maybe when we get done running, we should just go to ground tower.
Yeah.
So station center, fly straight out, running 22 left, clear for takeoff.
Fly straight out, clear for takeoff for 22 left, 21329er.
Mark 253, short approach approved, running 22 left, clear to land traffic, departure roll.
Alright, powerful.
Approach traffic 253.
Okay, I'm flight went from their direction, so we just banked just a little bit. That's all right.
Talking tower, exit 1190, AJ arrival, information Bravo.
And airspeed's coming alive.
Just 1190 factor, enter left base, running 22 left.
Right.
Left base 22 left, exit 1190.
Gauge is green.
Yeah, correction, for exit 1190, requesting one touch and go, then a full stop.
Exit 1190, roger. Stationer, right turn, north Pier, start your right turn now.
Start right turn now, 21329er. Sorry about that, man.
I'm trying really hard. You keep cutting me off, buddy.
Yeah, because he, I guess I got a little nervous when he said start your turn now.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's score it off a little. If we're still flying pattern. And we'll go ahead, clear, right turn. We can go ahead and start right turn. Oh, you see the fountain?
Yep.
The white thing?
Go for the fountain.
Yeah. Mountain Hills.
Oxford 253, taxi parking via Delta Monogram.
Park via Delta Monogram, Oxford 253, thanks.
Let's start getting in the habit, developing the habit to go over climb out checklist.
Climb out checklist now. Yeah. I remember this.